everyone, it's Randy and Norma, and today's theme is transportation. This is the Formosa MRT station in Kaohsiung. The MRT system is an amazing underground system of travel in Kaohsiung, and they have some absolutely beautiful artwork at their stations. This is the Central Park station, and there's a lot of beautiful different things to look at there. Here's the new Kaohsiung main station. They're renovating the entire thing, and they don't do things in a boring way in Taiwan. This building is going to be beautiful. And the other thing that Kaohsiung has is a light rail system. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that in another video and take you some of the hot spots that the light rail goes to. But today is all about trains and the history of trains. And Randy and I and my son Greg, we're off to Changhua to look at a roundhouse. Well, there's a train station that needs a little renovation, that's for sure. This is a very important part of Taiwan's transportation system, and we started out today on the MRT. It's inexpensive, it's clean, it's safe, and so easy to understand and figure out. And that takes us straight to the high-speed rail station, where you buy your tickets again at a machine, but really easy to do. And you look on the board and you find out what platform you're on, and then away you go. Now, we were lucky enough to have Randy ask us all sorts of hard questions on the train first thing in the morning.
Is the light blinking or anything?
Can't see anything.
Okay.
There's nothing going on. We're going to get a lot of about saying on this.
You're being recorded right now.
Are we?
Yeah.
We know we're being recorded.
I know.
We have all this blithering going on.
So anyways, what train are we on? Do you know? Like, come on.
We're on the train from Kaohsiung to Taichung.
And
we're going to go check out the, I forget what it's called now.
Train thing.
what train is this?
Well, we're on the
high-speed rail.
How fast does this train go?
It's about 300 kilometers an hour.
So this is like the most boring video I've ever put on the whole... So here we are. This is what 300K looks like. Yeah, we're moving. I was hoping there'd be bigger buildings to sort of give you a better idea how fast we are going. It's pretty smoggy here, I have to tell you that. Today's a little exceptionally worse. Okay. Okay.
Roundabout there.
They pick up the trains and they move in its direction.
Yeah. We get to see it?
I hope so.
Yeah.
It's still running.
So what would you say to a senior though? I mean,
well, it's been pretty easy.
The seats are good, you know. The
seats are good. We're comfortable. We're spending most of our day sitting down.
Yeah.
Nice ride. It doesn't take too long. There's food. There's bathrooms. What else can you say?
Free Wi-Fi too.
Oh, free Wi-Fi.
Then we took a taxi from the Taichung train station here to the Changhua Roundhouse. So I was wrong. It's not a museum, it's an actual working roundhouse. And we were so surprised that we were just allowed to walk around all over the tracks, and they've got a viewing platform to look at things.
Okay, this guy was moving the roundabout. Who's coming in?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like they're getting ready to possibly bring a train through this roundabout. They moved it about 5 minutes ago, and I'll pan over here rather quickly, and this is the guy that's running. I think that fellow in there, if you can see him, here he comes. He's coming our way. That's good. We're just going to let this thing roll. He's coming this way. Yeah. It's going to come right on this roundabout. Can you believe it? There he is, going on the roundabout. On the roundabout. Okay, he's being pushed by another train.
Yeah, you are. That was pretty darn exciting.
That was.
And of course, we had to do some of the national sport of rail walking. Everybody was doing it, so why not? I can't believe that we were allowed to just hang out on the rails and take pictures and do all those things. It's a working rail yard, and yet they accommodated us tourists who were interested in having a little walk around to have a look. So here's a last little view of the Changhua Roundhouse. One of 3 of its kind in the world. 2 of them are in Mexico. And it was a pretty darn good day. So I hope you enjoyed joining us on this trip today. The last thing we need to do is to go down to the 7-Eleven and get them to order us a taxi and head on home on the high-speed rail. And remember, if we can do it, you can do it too. See you later.